This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News. We're in Las Vegas at the CES Convention, 2012 CES. Talking with an innovative company that's focused on the tablet sector. Introduce yourself, tell us a little bit about your company.
So, hello, my name is Guillaume Largelier. I'm one of the co-founder of a French company called Stantum. And this company has been specialized in licensing breakthrough touch technology to OEM for 10 years now.
So tell us a little bit about your role, and you were one of the co-founders of the company. Where'd you get the idea for the company, and talk a little bit about the evolution over the past 10 years.
Okay, so at the beginning I founded the company. I was the CEO of the company, and I founded this company to develop a new generation of input devices for professional musicians who want better control over their music applications. And the very concept at the beginning was to develop a kind of tablet that enabled the technician to interact with the music software with all his 10 fingers. This is how we developed the first ever multi-touch capable product in 2004. This product was called the Lemur. It was launched on the marketplace worldwide in 2005, and we stopped the manufacturing of this product last year. Since then, since 2007, we have decided to license the technology we developed originally for this product to other OEMs to develop a tablet on other market segments. So today the main focus of the company is to enable a new category of tablets, which we call creative tablets, by opposition with media consumption tablets. And this tablet enable not only to manipulate content, books, magazines, web, and so on, but also to enter content, handwriting, drawing, and so on. The main market we are targeting with this are the enterprise and the educational market, where people are seeking for tablets which are not only good for content creation, the consumption, but also for productivity.
So where are you at in terms of deploying the new product with partners?
So over the last 3 years, we have worked very hard to develop an industrial ecosystem for our technology and to develop industrial partnership. We have signed a license agreement with a semiconductor company and touch panel maker over the last 3 years. And the first big design win with our technology will be unveiled publicly this year. It's not disclosed at CES publicly. It will be disclosed at the end of this quarter, and we expect to win 3 to 5 design wins with our technology this year.
So which markets geographically are you targeting for distribution in 2012?
So we are not distributing the product ourselves. Of course, we are a technology provider. But clearly, the biggest market traction for us is for the Asian market, mainly because the main differentiator for technology is the ability to work concurrently with the finger and the stylus, and so naturally the main demand for this technology is in Asia.
Can you talk a little bit about why you feel there's a need for your product in the marketplace, in terms of really how it differentiates itself from other types of stylus products or other types of touchscreen products?
How does it differentiate?
Yeah.
So today you may see on the market a different kind of tablet PC with a stylus. You have traditional Windows-based tablet PC, and you have some Android tablets, such as the HTC Flyer, who combine a capacitive sensor for the stylus, for the touch, for the finger interaction, with an active stylus. And the main drawback of this is that you need a very dedicated stylus with some electronic embedded to write on the screen. And what we propose is a touch sensor technology that enables to sense the finger and any kind of stylus, any kind of plastic pen, with the very same technology.
Okay.
So that's much more cost effective and than a traditional technology.
Okay. Do you see the market for your technology being limited to education, or do you think it's a mass market product?
Well, actually, if you look forward, the education market is a mass market. There are 1.2 billion students worldwide, and at maturity, this market will be just as big as the PC market today. That means about 300 million units per year. Mm-hmm. And it's not very visible from Western countries, but if you look in South Korea or in China, there are nationwide plans to replace all textbooks by tablets in the next 5 years.
Okay.
So in South Korea, it represents something like 15 to 20 million tablets, but in China that's 300 million students. You have similar plans in Turkey, in Brazil, in Russia, and so on. And Western country will follow them, but this is a very, very large market. And the other market we are targeting is the enterprise market, and there we see a tremendous demand for tablets, and of course the iPad is greatly demanded, and similar tablets are greatly demanded, but already CIO realized that these devices should afford to deliver a good experience for content creation, because they are limited to finger inputs.
Good point. Okay. What do you see as your biggest challenges deploying the technology, or your partners deploying the technology over the next 12 months?
The adoption of stylus. There is a huge demand for stylus, but in the past, there's been a lot of bad implementation of stylus solutions. And somewhat we believe that we have to convince customers again and users again that stylus can be well implemented in a user-friendly way. And so we have to change the perception many users have of the stylus, because they had bad experience of very bad devices using stylus. Windows mobile phones in the past. The early tablet PC were very badly implemented. So there is a very bad legacy we have to fight against.
Okay. And what do you see, final question, what do you see changing over the next 6 to 9 months in terms of the way styluses are deployed?
I think our technology, there is a new generation of hardware technology, such as the one we propose, which are much better implemented in terms of handwriting accuracy, touch performance, no lag, a beautiful user experience. So that's a huge step ahead. And on the software side also, we can clearly see a better support for touch and stylus in a recently released operating system. There is a great improvement of touch support in Android and in Windows 8. So it can change the game.
Okay. And you talked about licensing technology to the chip companies, the technology companies, the semiconductor companies. Do you see the demand being driven by the silicon companies, the device manufacturers, the carriers? Who's going to really drive the implementation of your product?
Clearly, I think the demand comes from the end user. So at the end, clearly the solution providers and the OEMs will be the key driver of the adoption of the technology.
Great. Thanks for your time today. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.